It's stuck under the wire. This guy, he's stuck the kite in the wire. This guy.
We're carefree, we have no need to flee. I hit a skeleton, my
Pull up.
we sailing with the team.
How do we get
north
up?
as far as the eye can see. We're carefree, we have
Bruh.
no need to flee. I hit a skeleton, my best.
Why are you laughing?
I'm getting the load and doing the dash. Went
Why
to the
are you
lodge and
laughing?
took all the cash. Whipping and slooping, I almost crashed. Saw my stare and I turned it to ash. Hit the outpost and I count up a band. Got my head on there in my hand. Buzz don't go on my head. Had to step up, boy, I don't give a damn. See up, we sailing with the team. We're headed up.
I-catch gay to. Ana. Good boy. Oy, makukurintian gani ka. Lightning strikes. Bro. Ah! Yes, chat. We did it, chat. We did it.
Then we are gonna
Where's Bri?
still watch it. Okay guys, we are
Give me the kite. Give me the kite.
because you're gonna ayo it. Because you're gonna work it.
Yeah.
Here.
No.
What?
Take the.
Because it's broken.
Bro, you're idiot.
Because Okay, let's try it. Go over there.
Uy, nagkuhan man ko sa kamera unsa na ko pag ko.
Diba? Diba? Hey, na go. Sige dito. Go.
Go. Ara! Oh! Stop, bro, stop.
Why you not fix it?
No.
Bro, it's fix the it's fix the
No, bro. No. This guy right here is so noob. 3